Hey YouTube, I'm back. Hey, I'm at my marina here on Cass Lake. I'm just gonna review the HyperRyd Designs nets that are the storage nets for over your lockers in the rear. So here I'm gonna show you my 2014 Moomba Mojo 2.5. Got the foil out. So I got the they're the 33-inch, and they fit super nicely. All I had to do, so this one is this rod there is completely uncut, and that fit perfectly. And then I did cut this one down. I cut about 1 inch off. They're super nice, super easy to install. You can drop the nets down, throw the boards in there. They're super easy to clip right back in, but they do have like a really nice feel when you clip them in. They feel just very well made. I think they did a really good job. For install, I just used this edge here to keep it all aligned, and then I matched it up on this side. I kind of offset them a little, but I matched up the height. But yeah, I mean, the HyperRyd Designs nets are definitely a recommend from me.